A major controversy is unfolding around former President Donald Trump after he was asked about a controversial $1.8 billion Justice Department fund, often referred to as the Anti-Weaponization Fund. During a press interaction, Trump appeared visibly frustrated when reporters questioned why his administration was no longer moving forward with the fund. Instead of directly answering the question, Trump launched into a lengthy defense of the idea behind the fund. He argued that many Americans had been unfairly targeted and politically persecuted by government agencies during previous administrations. According to Trump, countless people had their lives damaged, their families destroyed, and some even faced financial ruin due to what he described as political weaponization. Trump also claimed that he personally experienced similar treatment, pointing to the FBI search of Mar-a-Lago and various investigations against him. He insisted those actions were politically motivated and promised that more information would be revealed in the coming months. But the most dramatic moment came when Trump turned his attention toward CNN. He accused CNN of being a corrupt news organization and criticized a reporter in the room, claiming that major media outlets had unfairly treated both him and his supporters for years. Despite all of this, one important question remained unanswered. Is the $1.8 billion fund officially dead, or could it still return? When reporters pressed Trump for a clear answer, he refused to commit either way. Instead, he said lawyers would ultimately determine what happens next. That response immediately created new problems for Republican lawmakers in Washington. Just one day earlier, senior Justice Department officials had publicly stated that the administration was no longer moving forward with the fund. Many Republicans believed the issue had been settled. However, Trump's latest comments appeared to reopen the debate. Several Republican senators quickly expressed concern, saying they wanted the fund not just mostly dead, but completely eliminated. The timing couldn't be more important. Congress is currently debating major immigration and enforcement funding legislation, and uncertainty surrounding this controversial fund could complicate upcoming votes. Political analysts say Republican leaders had hoped the issue was behind them. Instead, Trump's comments have created fresh uncertainty just as critical decisions are being made on Capitol Hill. For now, one thing is clear. Trump continues to strongly support the idea behind the fund, but he has not clearly stated whether it will ever move forward. And until that question is answered, both Republicans and Democrats are likely to keep fighting over one of Washington's most controversial political issues. What do you think? Should the fund be permanently eliminated, or should it remain an option for future administrations? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more political news updates.